In the quiet suburbs where heroes return unseen, a single spark can mend what wars tear apart. Welcome to Flame of Silent Victories on Ignite Purpose Flame, where forgotten battles find their light. This episode honors the veteran spark, Tom Hale, a quiet warrior fixing homes for his brothers in arms. No parades, no medals, just hands that heal. Have you ever mended a wound no one saw? Listen, and let Tom's spark rekindle yours. Tom Hale served a tour in Afghanistan, a combat engineer who built roads under fire. At 28, he returned home to Texas, a hero in fatigues, but a stranger in his own life. The VA wait list stretched months. Nightmares kept him up, and his hands, once steady on blueprints, shook with unseen scars. He fixed cars for cash, but the real breaks were inside. Marriages strained, friends distant. One night, a fellow vet, old squad mate Jack, called from a leaky trailer. Voice cracking, "Tom, I can't keep the rain out anymore." Tom drove over, patched the roof by dawn. No bill, no thanks needed. That spark, a quiet vow from the sands. We leave no one behind. Word spread like embers in dry grass. Tom started small. A leaky faucet for a widow vet. New wiring for a PTSD suffering Marine. Nights blurred into weekends. His garage a war room of tools and blueprints. One brutal winter, he found Maria, a Gulf War vet, wheelchair-bound, her home collapsing under snow. "It's just a house," she said, eyes down. Tom worked through blizzards, his hands bleeding from splinters, spark roaring against the cold. When he finished, ramp installed, walls reinforced, Maria wheeled across the threshold, tears freezing on her cheeks. "This isn't a house," she whispered. "It's a home. No news crew, no donation drive." Tom drove away, spark brighter, knowing one fix mended more than would. Tom's fixes multiplied. 50 homes in 5 years, a network of vets helping vets. He never sought credit, but the spark spread. A fixed door opened to jobs, a sturdy roof sheltered recovery. His lesson: silent warriors don't conquer battles, they rebuild after them. As Audie Murphy, World War II hero, said, "The real heroes are the ones who come home and keep fighting." Tom teaches us, purpose isn't in the spotlight, it's in the solder, the staple, the unseen hand that holds a life together. What home in your world needs mending? Apply Tom's spark. Identify a broken home in your life, a relationship, habit, or dream needing repair. The 7-Day Mending Spark Challenge. Days 1 to 3. List what needs fixing. Days 4 to 6. One small repair act. Day 7. Share how your spark grew. Post with #MyMendingSpark. Mend with us. This series is for the quiet fighters. Let's light the way home. Thank you for honoring the veteran spark on Flame of Silent Victories. If Tom's quiet fire moved you, like, subscribe, and notify for more unsung tales. Share your mending story with #MyMendingSpark. Your spark matters. Keep it burning. The homes we mend heal us all.